Persistent seal failures on a slurry pump at an Australian mining company were causing hazardous caustic soda leaks. AESSEAL experts found that cavitation on startup sometimes led to breakdowns within a matter of days, with the longest trouble-free period just 4 months. Safety concerns led to the area around the pump to be cordoned off, as caustic soda was being flung over the walkways and was flooding the ground. AESSEAL's heavy-duty double slurry seal, HDDSS, and SW2 water management system put a stop to these worrying reliability and safety problems. The customer was happy to avoid maintenance costs of more than 3,600 Australian dollars a day to replace the previous seals, plus costly downtime, with the added bonus of saving an estimated 30 million liters of water per year for each pump. If you are interested in saving money and helping save the planet, call AESSEAL today.